Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
And today we are talking about sodalite. Have you heard of that before? Well, it's a color.
Well, it's a gemstone.
It's a gemstone. That's a very vibrant color. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe. And then we can tell you how to wear sodalite. Because we actually had to look up how to say it because we did not know it. And you are a gemstone queen.
I have all of the gemstones. If you had asked me, what's your purple gemstone, I would have said amethyst,
right?
Of course, or tourmaline.
Yeah.
But no, sodalite. Sodalite is a trend. It's a trending color.
All right. And we found this article on Who, What, Where. They're talking about this beautiful purple shade. Now, before we start really diving into this purple shade, who can wear the typical sodalite color?
Well, purple is supposed to be a shade for royalty, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the royals would always favor it. Why? Because they were the only people who could get the dye.
Mm-hmm.
So these things had to be dyed, and it was very rare. And so they would make the robes purple. Well, Kate Middleton, I've seen her wear it.
Mm-hmm. But she is not typical clear. I was going to say a clear person needs to have this color in order, to wear it properly. Well, a very bold, clear winter.
The thing is, sometimes when they say a color is trending, they will show you the intense version. They will show you the soft version. They will show you kind of some different.
But the true sodalite color is definitely going to be intense, bright person.
It is.
Mm-hmm. But there are ways to wear it if you are softer. Because I saw this one when we were scrolling through this article, I'm like, all right, bright, clear people wearing this color. They look fantastic. And then I come across somebody with gray hair. I should say silver gray hair. And do you see the color and the material?
Yeah, it's very soft. It's a crepe.
Yeah.
And it's very soft, and there's a lot of color coming through the crepe.
Right.
So there's some transparency there. So the really bold, intense color is softened by the skin tone that you can read through the transparent crepe. Right. But it's beautiful. And you don't see it every day.
No, but it looks fantastic on these clear people. I have to say, you know how I was talking about if you're super clear and you wear that blue, that cobalt blue, and it looks fantastic. This is the same thing.
This looks
purple.
Even more fantastic.
It looks
because
so good.
It's rare.
Yes.
This is just not that we're seeing puffer jackets from North Face in this color.
Even
Adidas has sneakers in this color.
This sweater is gorgeous. I love it. So all around, I really love this color. But if you are somebody who is softer, you will have to soften this color down.
And I love it when it's used as a lace or when it's used as a transparent crepe, because then your skin tone naturally softens it down if you can see a little bit of flesh through it.
Exactly. Now, you know what I was just thinking, what we should do? We should actually, on Patreon, we should put each of the different 16 palette systems or something and do a
with
version.
The sodalite version.
Right. Yes, so for each of the seasons. So we'll have that download over on Patreon for free if you're a paid member. So just don't forget to hop on over there and download it, because I am seeing this color everywhere.
And you know what? And we're seeing it in kind of trendy, rare, high-end North Face kind of vibes, but that means you're going to see it in mass very soon.
Right. And it's a beautiful color, beautiful for the holidays right now too.
Nail lacquer.
Oh, this nail color of it, stunning. That would look so high contrast and luxurious on. Ooh, I'm really loving this. All right, so now hop on over to Patreon, get your free download. We'll have all these links down below if you want to see the Who, What, Where article that came out and read about it. So sodalite next time.
Sodalite.
Okay. I hope we're saying it right. We just did a whole video on it. So
if we're mispronouncing it,
the internet will let us know in the comments down below. So thank you for joining us today. If you want to connect with us at all, links are in the description down below. Also, our color analysis is down below. Patreon links down below. Everything in the description. I know I shouldn't be saying down below. Okay.
It's all there.
I need to rework that somehow. So So thank you for joining us today. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.